in this video I am going to show you guys how you can add a video to Shopify video with YouTube. Okay, now you don't need YouTube for this. All you have to do, guys, you want to click settings at the very bottom left. Okay, and then you want to scroll down. Okay, and if you can see here files, click on it. If you can see here files, if you don't see here files, you want to go back and in the search in the top. Okay, search for files, and you want to click on files, upload, manage and delete files here. Okay, next thing, guys, you want to click on upload files. Okay, now you want to select a video that you want to add to your Shopify, and make sure the video is MP4, and also make sure the video is no longer than 10 minutes, because if it's longer than 10 minutes it's not going to work. Okay, now, and also make sure that the video is less than 1 gigabyte. So if these requirements meet, then you have to click on the video. And after that, guys, after you upload the video, you wait for it to upload, and after that you will see the link here next to video. Like after you upload the video here, next to that you will see this link. Okay, this copy link, click on it. Now close all this, click on home in the top right, in the top left, I'm sorry, click home, and after that you want to click on online store. Okay, and after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on pages. Okay, now select the page that you want to add a video to. Okay, now for example I'm going to select video page. Okay, and here you can then paste that link here anywhere you want your video to appear. Paste the link here in the description, of course, and you can just paste it, for example, here or here, anywhere you want, and then click save in the top right. And that's all you need to do, guys, to add a video to your Shopify without YouTube. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.